At least I remember Mark Cruz. He posted in Instagram threads. What did you just post? Oh, I remember those things that Kiko Barsaga said. That Roblox is nothing problem. During the time of Rodrigo Duterte, there's no crime yet. The school shooting anyway is the problem. It's their parents. The Roblox is nothing problem. It's their own parents anyway. They didn't allow those kids, in Thailand, what happened there about the school shooting. Because their parents did not reprimand their son. Oh, unlike I'm just saying, the parents anyway is the more responsible what happened in the shooting in Zamboanga school shooting. Oh, and it's nothing a problem for those kids. Like me, I'm just saying, I told to Ate Nenet, Mark Dion is playing Roblox. Oh, it's really fun to play Roblox. Ate Dayan allows Dion to play Roblox. And it's fun. Oh, it's nothing bad to play Roblox. Joy Barcoma, he can play Roblox. Miggy Labitag, RJ Gonzalez. Everyone can play Roblox. The problem anyway, the school shooting in Ateneo de Zamboanga University is their parents. And it's not the Roblox is the problem. It's not the Gorebox is the problem. The problem anyway is the Bangag Marcos Jr.'s administration. He did not handle the Philippines. You see what happened in school shooting, what happened in either what really happened is, it's a school shooting. Because Bangag Marcos Jr., he did not coordinate with the DepEd to call their parents to not using firearms or guns, like real guns. I'm telling, because me, I have a pellet gun, I have an airsoft gun. No, airsoft gun is good sports and shooting. But pellet gun, it's fun. Oh, but the real gun is more kind of dangerous. That's why Ate Mirasol said to me that Paulo Siaco, he cannot allow use a real gun because it's dangerous. As instead, he do a golf. Oh. The problem anyway, during the school shooting in Ateneo de Zamboanga, is their parents. Parents is responsible. Like Muhammad Jalani, who was his father, was a Bureau of Custom and Law Enforcement in the port of Zamboanga. He was a Muslim. He did not reprimand his son to not to touch a gun, and he bring it a gun in the school, and he smuggled those gun and he park it in the basement in Ateneo de Zamboanga basement, and he plot to threaten to shoot those students that he was being a victim of school bullying and also depression and anxiety. So it's nothing problem about that Roblox. The problem anyway is their parents. If the person, if I saying, if someone who's victim of bullying, tell it to the parents, tell it to the teachers, tell it to the teachers that someone bullying, report it to the principal and call the parents. It's simple. Bullying is, for example, there is lot of school bullying. Like me, I'm also a former bully. At the time, I bullied David Gill. I bullied who else? Teacher Kel, or even Teacher Gio Malana or Teacher May or Teacher Vincent in the past pandemics. Oh, and I said it, I never become a bully anymore. I'm not a truly bully. Oh, the problem anyway, for those kids anyway, they did not reprimand by their parents. And it's nothing problem about the Roblox. Roblox, it's nothing problem. Roblox is a gaming platform. It's a fun for games for everyone, for Dion, for Mark Dion, to Joy Bercoma, or even to everyone, even to all people there. Even RJ Gonzalez, Miggy Labitag, they play Roblox. Oh, Matthew Timbal can play Roblox too. I've been ever seen Miggy Labitag is playing Roblox. It's nothing bad to play Roblox. Just like I remember I said it, Ate Michelle says to me, oh, Miggy is always playing Roblox, it's always making fun. Oh, that's why it's nothing bad. The problem anyway is their parents. They did not reprimand their son to not touch a real gun. Like Matthew Timbal, I remember not to touch a real gun. Oh, because his father anyway was a drug addict. That was a father of Matthew Timbal. Oh, he allowed Matthew Timbal to use a gun. Oh, and even his mother, Ate Mel Storke, warned him not to use a gun. Oh, it's dangerous. That would be a trigger a school shooting. So, so for those um parents anyway, it's nothing a problem about Roblox. The problem anyway is for those kids who were victim of bullying. Like for example, the parents should be reprimand their parents. Parents should be reprimand those kids who were fully responsible. Like those two teenagers who was reprimanded by their parents. They were arrested by police. What happened in the shooting incident in Tacloban named Robin Nash. They were reprimanded by their parents because I know they were victim of bullying. They were influenced the school shooting in the US. And the Gore box is nothing a problem. Roblox is nothing a problem. It's their parents. Just like Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his parents. When Teacher May read that um, in Messenger, in the chat, in group chat, Teacher May tell to the parents of Paulo Cruzada, he was been reprimanded by his parents. He was reprimanded by his parents. He was scolded by his parents. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, I always describe at him. And he was prohibited using social media. Oh, for saying a bomb joke, bomb threats. And he was reprimanded by his parents. Like for example, like Mark Domingo Cruz, when he reprimanded by his parents not to post about bad words and don't say bad words at our former president Rodrigo Duterte because he's very sick and he has diabetes. Well, Mark Domingo Cruz, he was reprimanded by his parents because he was reprimanded. But the problem anyway is their parents. It's nothing problem. For example, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, he was reprimanded by her parents for making bomb joke at Jerick Silva. Oh, Jerick Silva reported to the parents of Teacher Alex they they reprimand her. Oh, not to use social media. Oh, and she apologized for her mistake. Oh, that's why for those parents, reprimand those children not to use too much firearms, or do not touch a firearms or real gun are very dangerous. Some kids anyway can put that gun where that belong. Like me, as I'm a airsoft shooter and gun enthusiast, and I said, um, I did not bring gun outside. I didn't bring outside in the guns. As for me, I just leave it the gun in the house. I do not bring gun in outside. Do you even see those kids are playing gel blaster gun outside? They play guns. So I said that it's nothing allow. So for me, airsoft gun is fun, but the real gun anyway, it's dangerous. That's why Ate Mirasol said to me, when Paulo Siaco use a real gun, it's dangerous. As instead, he plays a golf. Oh, that's why me, I never play, I never use a real gun. You remember Teacher Vincent Ramos when he used a real gun, he was shooting range in a real gun, and I think it afraid that it's might kind of dangerous. But it's for amateurs only, not for kids. As for me, for the amateurs, for those kids, it's not good. If Teacher Vincent Ramos was using a gun shooting in last 2018, and I saw this in Instagram or what I just seen in his post, he's doing a gun shooting like Kiko Barsaga, real shooting range. But for those kids and minors, don't imitate. It's a sensitive imitation. So for those parents anyway, don't allow those kids or teenagers to use a real gun because it's dangerous. And the problem anyway, it's not a problem of Roblox. The problem anyway is their parents. Like I said before, may kulang sa aruga, kulang sa what's that? Kulang sa aruga, like I said. Ang magulang ay problema. So that's why it's the problem anyway is their parents. And it's not a problem a Roblox.